objects can jump by adjust directly its position on the y-axis, or using actual functions based on physics. So if you want the object to jump when you press spacebar, pure physics, you need to know when you press space and then access to it. Do you still remember about updates and fixed update? Which two seems small? Which one is used in update and which is used in fixed update? Okay, for detecting space racing, we need something occur more regularly as updates. If using fixed update in this case, we can miss it or calculate the racing event. About efforts, it relates to physics. Therefore, Unity advises it better to use fixed updates. Let's try. This is a simple zoom exercise. Before going into more complex cases, I would say that the zoom input space can be found and set here in Unity Editor. In previous session, we saw the jump with shock space resistance. Let's try this again with ground resistance. It's go out of the range because forces are added continuously to subsets. There is no limit about the height of jump or limit number of force addition. Assume a case that objects can be added force only one time from the round. Until it took the ground again, there will be no force added to it. To show this, we need something to check if the object is on the ground or not. That is raycast or component from physics. To create a raycast in Physics 2D, we need a point from the object and direction of the ray. In this case, the route is needed to detect, so a downward vector is a must. So a basic formula is to complete more array, we have to specify the distance and player mass. Let's stretch the length of ray by half of the height. If the route took on any point of this ray, it means the object collides with route. Layer must here have to limit the objects that can collide with zoom-in objects. Okay, let's run. Add the new bar instance. Attach the platform effect to the into it. And make it a round. Then run. Drag long base pressing to zoom from the round onto that bar. Oh, again, it's go out of the rings, although the raycast is already applied. Why? Okay, in this case, when objects zoom near to the bar, it also detects the bar is around. So there will be another force added to it and make it strong enough to go out of viewport. How can we show this? The reason is the round is not just in right time. I mean, it should be only checked when the objects fall down after for zooming is running out. In that time, velocity might be slower than 0 in normal thinking, but in Unity I think adjusting this value to slower 0.001 will get the more exact behavior. Let's run.